Hi, this is the sprint planning meeting for Search Nav and support. And today is Monday, September 12th, and we're just going to go through what everyone is going to take on for this week. Our mascot, give me 1 second, share my screen. Is this tiny cat. I thought it would be appropriate for fall. So to start off, Miracle, I'm going to let you take it away.
Hi, everybody. This iteration, I will be closing up the IPX next errors that we saw for our next images. I'm just waiting for that issue to be approved, and then that'll be merged in today. I also will be adding in a new navigation component and be doing some A/B testing on that. I also added some CTA to our register page. That'll also be pushed in today. I'm just waiting for a review on that. And the last thing I'll be working on for this iteration is some Marketo form fields to improve our Google Analytics. And then I'll pass it to John.
Thank you. For this iteration, I'm going to work mostly on the Alliance Partners page in order to complete it for this iteration. So I will do the search for the Alliance Partners. Also, I will do a pagination, and I will do some feedback items from last iteration, and also adding some new icons that we need to add to our sleepers. And last but not least, I'm going to work on search suggestions if we have time. And that's it for me. I will pass it over to Laura.
Thank you. Yeah, I've got the events page in review. So once we get our new labels, that'll be it's code complete. Then I have an issue that's been open for a little while to launch a survey on the help topics page. So if we've got the go ahead to do that, then I can work on that this iteration. Otherwise, I might close it and we can reopen it if that's the case. And then I have an issue to update some links in the navigation. And then Barker and I have met about the approval process, mostly for other people contributing to our team, to our website. So we've come up with some strategies for labels. And so implementing those labels and adding documentation around those labels. I'll take that on this iteration. Next up is Miguel.
Thank you. This iteration, I'll be working on the new partners overview page. We have a great design by Carrie, so I'll be doing that. I'll also be doing a nav redesign on mobile that Michael asked to have the menu not so deep. So I will be doing that. I also have from last iteration the support pages. We still have a couple pages we need to merge. And also the errors with the VDIP selector that we're having on the repo. I already have an MR, but we need to break it down, that MR. And yeah, that will be for my side, and I'll pass it over to Lauren.
Yeah, we're this iteration. I'm gonna close out the DEX marketing career ladder. Me and Justin been working on that, so we're gonna finish it out. The Major League Hacking Fellows cohort starts next Monday, so gonna get that ready to go. And we'll be shipping out that Slack integration marketing landing page today. One little addition there. Pass it over to Carrie.
Cool. Yeah, so for this iteration, I'm hopefully going to wrap up the Alliance design. Still waiting on final content from our stakeholders for that. And then for UX research, we got in, I think, a lot of our responses for our research. We just need to just kind of synthesize that and see where to go from there. And then I have some other smaller issues, a featured content block for our homepage. So adding just like a section where we'll feature some of our latest updates to the website. And then localization language selector. So for any, so we're gonna allow people to change their language on the website. So I think we're choosing 3 languages at first, and we'll just need a drop down for people to select that. And I think that's it. I'm also the Slippers DRI for this iteration as well. That's it. Does anyone have anything else to announce before we close this out? Okay, I think that's it for this iteration.